Hi guys, welcome to गेट ह्यूमैनिटीज एंड सोशल साइंस यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, मैं हूं सुरजीत जालिक एंड मेरा जो यूट्यूब चैनल है गेट ह्यूमैनिटीज एंड सोशल साइंस, आप सभी का मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत है। Guys, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can achieve very easily the qualifying marks. The target marks actually uh, like around 35. You have to achieve that qualifying marks. So guys, and how you can achieve that 35 marks, and I will tell you the tricks. So guys, those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please press the like button. Okay, so guys, I'll get some motivation to make this type of videos for you guys, and that will be helpful for your preparation. So guys, let's start. So guys, the target marks is 35. It is not the surety, okay, but you have to score 35 marks. At least you have to score 35 marks so that you can qualify this type of exam. Okay, and I will tell you how you can achieve these target marks very easily, very efficient way. Okay, so I will tell you everything in this video, and that is why I am requesting you, please watch this video till the end. I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, one second. So guys, your like target marks is like 35. You have to score it. I know guys, there is no specific YouTube channel like giving the giving the idea what will be your cutoff marks, guys. Okay, so guys, I am telling you 30 to 45 marks will be your cutoff marks, but believe me, your cutoff marks will be near about 35 marks, because if you see all the different gate papers, you will see most of the papers like the qualifying marks below 35. Some of the papers, like those papers, are very easy papers. So for those papers, like some papers like statistics, okay, so for the statistical background student, so the cutoff marks will be high. ओके, बट ये मन के चलो आपको 35 मार्क्स लेकर आना है गेट एग्जाम से। ओके, सो guys, I will tell you today the tricks and the steps how you can achieve it very easy, how you can achieve it very easily. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. So guys, it is very easy to get 35 marks, and how you can get it. So avoid negative marking. You have to do the first thing in the examination hall. You have to avoid negative marking and avoid gazing. Don't You should not answer any question by your gaze. Okay, so avoid gazing. You should not do that, because like negative marking will be there about for 1 marks question, that is about 1/3. 0.33 marks will be deducted for your each and every negative marking. Okay, each and every negative marking. So avoid negative marking. Okay, avoid negative marking. And GATE exam is not like UGC exam. Okay, UGC net exam, there is no negative marking in UGC exam. Okay, believe me guys, this is 100% different from UGC net exam. Okay, in UGC net exam there is no negative marking, but in GATE exam there is negative marking. So avoid negative marking. Whatever you can do, you should answer with your confidence. Okay, so avoid gazing, because if you if you will answer, if you answer your question by gazing, so your marks will be less. I am telling you guys, your marks will be very less. You will not be able to qualify this exam. So my second tips, try to attempt match type question. Try to attempt. You will see many question from your optional paper, like 4 to 5 question, like match type question. Like column A, there you will get column A and column B, you have to match each other. Okay, so i I have made 1 or 2 videos how you can eliminate this type of options of this question, of this type of question, how will you can eliminate this type of question, and it will be easy to get 2 marks. Okay, so thus you can achieve your marks very easily. So you have to choose some question, those questions are very easy, and try to attempt like match type question. Okay, so like you will get column A and column B, you have to match each other. So this type of question will be easy to answer. Okay, so remember these 2 things, avoid gazing. Okay, avoid gazing, you should not answer any question by gaze. Okay, so avoid negative marking. These 2 factor will be good determinant for your result. Okay, and then this tips I'm telling you guys, try to attempt match type question, you will get more marks. Okay, and one more important thing, do not avoid general aptitude and reading comprehension part. Okay, try to do at least some things, 1 or 2 question in general aptitude part, you will get like uh, at least 1 or 2 question you can do. Okay, whatever your background, you are from different background, I know that, but you can do at least 1 or 2 question, but you should not gaze. If you are confident, you should answer this question, that type of question. So do not avoid general aptitude part, you can do like always I am telling in my every video regarding marks. Okay, of GATE exam, you will get 1 question from data interpretation, that is data statistics. Okay, so and that statistics maybe from like some bar diagram, some pie chart, you will get 1 question, at least 1 question. You can do you can attempt many question from general aptitude part. You will get 1 or 2 question from like uh, preposition. You will get 1 or 2 question like from reasoning part in general aptitude section. 1 or 2 question like you will see very easy from English, like sentence, like spelling, whatever the types. So you can do 1 or 2 marks very easily. Okay, so don't avoid reading general aptitude part. And reading comprehension, you know guys, you will get some question regarding passage based and so on. So inference based type question, you have to practice inference type based question. There you will get one passage and there will be some inference, option A, option B, option C, option D. You will see like you have to choose one inference that will be the best suited with that passage. So try to attempt this type of question and don't go for gazing. Okay, Always I am telling you guys, one more thing, do whatever you can do, you must do something. Remember this line. Like, my second suggestion, my second tip, like, numerical question has no negative marks. Guys, I am telling you guys, if you like attend this type of question, numerical question, whatever the topics like general aptitude, like other portion, reading comprehension and reasoning portion, numerical question has no negative marks. Guys, those who are from economics, psychology background, you will not get negative marks for your wrong answer. So remember guys, numerical question has no negative marks. So always be positive, avoid negative things, guys. Be positive, avoid negative thinking. So this is my some tips, and now I am telling you guys what is the easy way so that you can get your like target marks. Listen guys, you have to score at least 5 marks. ये मन के चलो, आपको 5 marks लेकर आना है. ओके, आउट ऑफ 15. आई नो गाइज यू कैन डू, आई नो गाइज यू कैन डू इट. ये मन के चलो, आपको 5 marks लेकर आना है गेट एग्जाम से. कहां से लेना है, कहां से लेकर आना है? जनरल एप्टीट्यूड पार्ट से. So guys, you are now like able to get sense that how you can achieve your result. Okay, so you have to score like minimum 5 marks. Those who are not from English background and so on. So I know guys who have no such type of abilities. I believe you have abilities, many abilities, but ये आपको लेकर आना है दिस 5 marks. ओके, सो 5 and 5, so you can combine it, you can add it like 10 marks. So out of 40 you have to score like 10 marks. ओके, 10 marks आपको लेकर आना है. ओके, समझा क्या? आपको 10 marks लेकर आना है आउट ऑफ 40. So guys, next part, you have to score 25 marks out of 60. You have to score 25 marks out of 60. I know guys, you can answer more than it, but you have to qualify. I am telling this everything for in general point of view. So guys, uh, you have to score 25 marks. It means that you have to score 10 question of 2 marks. That is very easy. You will get many easy question for like psychology student, I know, and sociology student. You will get some straightforward question, and that will be very easy to score. This is your qualifying marks. ये मन के चलो, ये आपका क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स हो गया. ओके, 35 marks आपका क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स हो गया. सो you can achieve this way your qualifying marks. Okay, you can achieve this way your qualifying marks. आपको रैंक अच्छा करना है तो आपको ज्यादा मार्क्स लेकर आना है. कहां से लेकर आना है? योर लाइक ऑप्शनल इलेक्टिव पेपर से आपको लेकर आना है. ओके, सो गाइज, यू कैन increase your rank, you can like you can get good rank by increasing your marks from 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. Okay, it means that you have to score all three parts equally. Okay, so I know guys, you can do your best. You should put more and more efforts. So guys, all this today. Thank you, all the best, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification. So guys, now from my side, bye bye, all the best, Jai Hind.